I am going to break down the 1099 tax form step by step so you can tackle your taxes with confidence this year. Hey, this is Arjun. I'm the CEO of Doula.com. Doula is a business in a box. We are a venture-backed startup here in New York City that has successfully raised over $13 million of venture capital from some of the world's best investors, including Y Combinator, Nexus Venture Partners, HubSpot Ventures, and notable angel investors like Cody Sanchez, Graham Stephan, Sahil Bloom, Dharmesh Shah, and more. And along the way, we've helped over 10,000 founders from over 175 countries start, run, and grow their dream business. I promise you by the end of this video, you will actually understand what is a 1099. And the way I'm going to cover this is in 3 steps. I'll first define what is a 1099. I'll then help you understand each type of 1099 form. And then I'll finish off with why understanding the 1099 form matters. Let's dive in. First, what is a 1099? A 1099 form is more than just paperwork. It's a vital piece of documentation for anyone earning income beyond your traditional job. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or earn income from investments, understanding the 1099 form is crucial for tax reporting and financial planning. So what exactly is a 1099? To keep it simple, you can think of it as a detailed record of income you've earned throughout the year from various sources other than an employer. It's kind of like a W-2 for self-employed individuals and contractors, providing a breakdown of payments received for services rendered, interest earned, dividends received, and more. Understanding each type of 1099 form. There are several types of 1099 forms, each serving a specific purpose. The first is the 1099-NEC, which stands for non-employee compensation. This is used to report payments of $600 or more made to a non-employee, such as freelancers, independent contractors, or vendors. It includes income from services provided, commission prizes, awards, and other forms of compensation. There's then the 1099-INT, which stands for interest income. This details interest income earned from savings, accounts, certificates of deposits or CDs, or other interest-bearing accounts. Financial institutions issue this form if you've earned more than $10 in interest during the year. The next one is 1099-DIV, which is dividend income. This reports dividends and other distributions received from investments in stocks or mutual funds. It categorizes dividends into ordinary dividends and qualified dividends, each taxed differently. Then there's the 1099-MISC, which stands for miscellaneous income. This covers various types of income not reported on other 1099 forms, such as rent payments, royalties, and payments for healthcare services. It's crucial for reporting income from freelance work, rental properties, and other sources. Now, I want to cover why understanding 1099 forms actually matters. Understanding 1099 forms goes beyond mere compliance. It's about managing your financial responsibilities effectively. So this is why it actually matters. The first is tax compliance. The IRS uses 1099 forms to verify income reported on your tax return. Failing to report income can lead to penalties and interest on unpaid taxes. By understanding your income sources and correctly reporting them, you ensure compliance with tax laws, and you avoid potential audits. Number 2 is financial planning. Knowing your income from various sources helps you set budgets for tax payments throughout the year. It also allows you to maximize deductions and credits, reducing your overall tax liability and optimizing your financial strategy. Let me give you some practical tips for managing your 1099 forms. Organize and track income. Keep detailed records of income received throughout the year, including invoices, receipts, and payment confirmations. Set aside taxes. Since taxes are not withheld from 1099 income, set aside a portion of your earnings for tax payments to avoid surprises at tax time. Stay informed. Stay updated on IRS regulations and deadlines related to 1099 forms to ensure timely and accurate reporting. So there you have it. That is actually everything you need to know about the 1099 form. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or investor, understanding and correctly reporting your income is the key to financial requests. Now, you might have additional questions about the 1099 form, or maybe you just want to learn more. You can absolutely drop a comment below, but you can actually schedule a free consultation or book a demo with the Doula team. We've helped thousands of business owners with their bookkeeping and taxes and have answered many questions about 1099 forms. So head over to Doula.com. You can schedule a free consultation or book a demo. You can actually talk to a human on our team. Doula has dedicated bookkeepers and CPAs on the team, they're not outsourced, who can actually do your books. They can help you create financial statements and reports. They can categorize your transactions. And the best thing is, come tax season, they can actually file your business taxes. So if you're looking for support with bookkeeping and taxes, we're more than happy to help. Or if you just want to talk to someone, you can schedule a no strings attached free consultation or book a demo. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found value, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tax tips and updates. Thank you so much for watching, and can't wait to see you soon in the next video.